Hi friends, welcome to Simplifying Maths. Today's concept is we are learning unit digit with base 7. In last video we have learned about base 5 and 6. In this particular video we are going to learn with base 7. Base 7 is similar to base 2 and 3 that we have learned in the starting. Base 2 and 3, it is very similar to base 2 and 3. For this base 7, we have to remember 4 values because the repetition is 4. So 7 power 1 is 7. 7 power 2 is 49. 7 power 3 is 343. 7 power 4 is 2401. Here again we need to check the units place. For there is no tens place, so 7 is the units place. Here tens place is 4, ones place is 9, so 9 is the units place. Here 100 place is 3, tens place is 4, ones place is 3, so units place is 3. Thousands place is 2, 100 place is 4, tens place is 0, units place is 1, ones place is 1. So we should just remember 7, 9, 3, 4. If it is 7 power 1, 7, 7 power 2, 9, 7 power 3, 3, 7 power 4, 1. So we have to again write this in the form of 2 power 4 into k plus the remainder. That if 7 power, here we are taking, for 2 means we have taken base 2. For 3 we have taken base 3. For 7 we are taking base 7. Base 7 power 4 into k plus 1. 7 power 4 into k plus 2. 7 power 4 into k plus 3. 7 power 4 into k plus 4. So we have written 4 numbers. Up to 4 reminders because repetition is just 4. So we have written 4. Here if the remainder is 1, then we should consider it as 7 power 1. Then it will be 7 itself. If remainder is 2, then we should consider it as 7 power 2. 7 power 2 is 49, but we are considering unit digit. So it will be 9. If the remainder is 3, then is 7 power 3. We should consider it as 7 power 3. 7 power 3 is 343, but we should remember that we should only consider unit digit. So it will be 3. Here 7 power 4, because remainder is 4. If remainder is 4, it is 7 power 4. Here 2401 is there, but still we should consider only unit digit. So it will be 1. So 7931. If the remainder is 1, then it is 7. If the remainder is 2, then it is 9. If the remainder is 3, then it is 3. If the remainder is 4, then it is 1. When we all divide this with 4, if the particular number is divided with 4, then its remainder 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the values of the exponent are 7931 units place. I'll explain you this with a clear example. Here I have taken the example as 7 power 149. Let us write it like 7 power 4 into k. I am taking remainder as r. 7 power 4 into remainder, 7 power 4 into k plus the remainder. So here we have to divide the exponent with 4. So here I am taking 4, here I am taking 149. So 4 3s 12, 2 9 7s 2 9 7s 28, then I'll get 1. So it will be, this is quotient and this is remainder. This is quotient and this is remainder. So here we know that if we are writing in the exponent form, then k is the quotient and r is the remainder we get. So we should also write this in the form of 7 power 4 into k plus r, right? This particular 149. We also need to remember that if 7 power 4 into k plus 1 is 7, 7 power 4 into k plus 2 is 7 power 4 into k plus 2 is 9, 7 power 4 into k plus 3 is 3, 7 power 4 into k plus 4 is 1. So we have known that 7, 9, 3, 1 are the four numbers we will remember. Based on these four numbers, we are going to see the calculation for 7th unit digit. So first let us write 7 power 149 in this form. Then it will be 7 power 4. Here the quotient is 37 plus the remainder is here 1. If the remainder is 1, then we should consider it as 7 power 1. Then it is 7 power 1 means then the answer will be 7 itself. If remainder is 1, then we should consider it as the same number. If remainder is 2, then it is 9. If remainder is 3, then it is 3. If the remainder is 4, then it is 1. So let me explain with another example. Here the other example is 7 power 131. We should write in the form of 7 power 4 into k plus the remainder. Then I have to divide this with 4 because we are writing that the quotient is multiplying with 4. Then the number should be divided with 4. So 131. For this 4 3s 12. I'll get 1. Then I'll get 8. 11 minus 8 is 3. So I have got this is quotient and this is remainder. That means here in this exponent quotient is k and the remainder is small r. So we have know that 7 power 1, if the remainder is 1, then it is 7. 7 power 2, if the remainder is 2, then it is 9. 7 power 3, then the remainder is 3, then it is 3 itself. 7 power 4, that if the remainder is 4, then it is 1. Okay, so here remainder is 3. We have to write this 131 in the form of 4 into k plus the remainder. So it will be 7 power 4 into k is 32 plus r is 3. Here there is 3. Then we should consider it as 7 power 3. 7 power 3 is 3 itself. So we have got the units place 3. For today we have learned about the base unit digit on base 7. In the next class we are going to see on the base 8. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.